What if I told you that 1 minute, just 60 seconds before bed every single night, can keep your entire home consistently clean without ever needing weekend deep cleaning sessions again? What if this impossibly short routine prevents 90% of the mess, clutter, and dirt that makes cleaning feel overwhelming? I started this 1 minute routine 3 months ago as an experiment, and my home has stayed cleaner than it ever did when I was spending hours weekly on cleaning. Stay with me to the end, because this will fundamentally change your relationship with housework. The cleaning cycle I couldn't escape. You know the pattern. Your home is clean on Saturday after you spend hours cleaning. By Tuesday, it's noticeably messy. By Thursday, it's chaos. By Saturday, you're facing another exhausting cleaning marathon. You're trapped in this cycle of massive effort for temporary results. And the worst part? You're spending your precious free time maintaining instead of living. Before I share the specific 60-second routine that keeps my home consistently clean, if you're tired of the cleaning cycle and weekend deep cleaning marathons, hit that like button right now. And if you want to prevent mess instead of constantly fixing it, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications, because this routine will give you back your weekends. Let's get into it. The 1 minute routine, exact breakdown. Every night before bed, I do these specific tasks in this exact order. Total time, 60 seconds. Seconds 1 to 15, kitchen reset. Wipe down kitchen counters and stovetop with a damp cloth that's already at the sink. Move any dishes to the sink or dishwasher. This prevents dried food, grease buildup, and morning disaster. Just a quick wipe, not deep cleaning, just surface reset. Seconds 16 to 30. Living room sweep, quick visual scan of the living room. Return any items to their homes. Remote to its spot. Throw blanket folded on couch, cups to kitchen. This prevents clutter accumulation that makes rooms feel chaotic. 15 seconds of putting things where they belong. Seconds 31 to 45. Bathroom wipe. Quick wipe of bathroom sink and counter with the hand towel. This prevents toothpaste buildup, water spots, and soap residue that make bathrooms look dirty. Literally, just a 15-second wipe of the sink area after your nighttime routine. Seconds 46 to 60. Floor check scan, floors for anything that shouldn't be there. Clothes, trash, random items. Pick them up and place appropriately. This prevents the floor debris that makes vacuuming necessary. Just picking up visible items, not deep cleaning. That's it. 4 mini tasks, 60 seconds total, prevents the accumulation that causes cleaning emergencies. Why this works when nothing else does. This routine works because it addresses the fundamental cause of mess: accumulation. Mess doesn't happen all at once. It builds gradually. One dish becomes a sink full of dishes. One item on the counter becomes cluttered chaos. One day of floor debris becomes a vacuuming emergency. By preventing the initial accumulation with 60 seconds of daily maintenance, you eliminate 90% of the mess that would otherwise require hours to fix on the weekend. The compound effect. Here's what surprised me most. This routine creates a positive feedback loop. Because your home stays cleaner, you feel more motivated to maintain it. You start naturally putting things away during the day because the baseline is clean. The routine doesn't just prevent mess. It changes your behavior to generate less mess in the first place. This 1-minute cleaning routine that actually works. Kitchen reset, living room sweep, bathroom wipe, floor check, 15 seconds each, every night before bed. If this just showed you how to escape the cleaning cycle, smash that like button. Subscribe and turn on notifications for more life-changing micro-routines. Share with anyone you know who is drowning in housework. Comment if you're starting this tonight. Click the link in the description box below to join our free cleaning community. I'll see you next time. Until then, prevent instead of fix, invest 1 minute daily, and enjoy consistent cleanliness without weekend marathons.